progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Cappadocia, a magical place straight out of fairy tales, a semi-arid region located in central Turkey where people hailing from different parts of the world head to experience life in caves. An unusual place recognized for its distinctive fairy chimneys, tall cone-shaped rock formations clustered in monk valleys, cave churches, an open-air museum, prehistoric cave homes, and whatnot. Cappadocia, a name that once meant land of beautiful horses, is a place with a rich history. The Girome Open Air Museum, with cave churches and frescoes from the 10th to the 12th centuries, resembles a vast monastic complex composed of scores of refectory monasteries placed side by side, each with its own fantastic church. Its location in the core of Cappadocia, providing easy access from all directions, makes it the first site to be visited by any traveler in Cappadocia. It contains the finest of the rock-cut churches with beautiful wall paintings whose colors still retain all their original freshness. It also presents unique examples of rock-hewn architecture and fresco technique. As one of the first two UNESCO sites in Turkey, the Girome Open Air Museum has been on the UNESCO World Heritage List since 1984, making it an essential stop on any Cappadocia itinerary. To the north of Girome town is the landscape at Pasabag Valley, which is known for fairy chimneys extending up to 130 feet into the sky. The cone-shaped rocks are a surreal landscape of carved-out towering rock formations that change color with every sunset. Geological processes that began millions of years ago have made Cappadocia a popular tourist destination. Ancient volcanic eruptions blanketed the region in thick ash, which later solidified into a soft rock called tuff. Only the hardest elements remained after wind and water took their toll, triggering the formation of the fairy chimneys that can be seen today. The tourists can enjoy the spectacular bird's-eye view of the sweeping landscape featuring fairy chimneys by taking a hot air balloon ride. The unique and rugged landscape of Cappadocia makes the hot air balloon ride an unforgettable experience for the tourists. Cappadocia perhaps is most well known for the panoramic view of hundreds of hot air balloons ebbing and flowing in the sky. Not only can you soar above the terrain in summer and spring, but you can also explore the winter wonderland from above. Thousands of people are offered a lifetime experience at Cappadocia every day, as hundreds of balloons take to the skies nearly every morning. The pilots of hot air balloons must also undergo tests, have a prescribed number of flight hours under their belt, pass flight tests and medical examinations to qualify for the job. Watching the balloons in Cappadocia from one of the viewpoints is also a magical experience in itself. Cappadocia also has a lot to offer other than its magical hot air balloon experiences. One of the most unique things to do in Cappadocia is to stay in a cave hotel. Rooms carved into mountain sides or rock pillars. The Cappadocian deluxe rooms are incredibly charming. The caves are actually original caves homes that date back to the Roman, Byzantine, and Hittite period. Staying here is an opportunity to experience history at its finest. It may have been nature that shaped Turkey's landscape, but ancient civilizations' adaptation of it for their purposes is what makes it unique, and tops Cappadocia as one of the most important places to visit.